Okay. Should be. Yeah, those are just weeds. Should be. Oh! Fireworks! Fireworks over there! Fireworks, Gabe! Fireworks! Fireworks over there! Wow. Wow, those are cool.
Down in front.
Wow.
Alright, have some time.
We don't have time to move now.
Let's go.
Oh my. Mommy.
Let's go.
I was saving my spot.
Oh, that's cool.
It's over there.
That's fun.
What?
JJ.
Put the chair back. I'm shaking it. I don't want anyone to steal what?
Stand there and watch.
I'm already filming it, and I can see perfectly. I'm just. You turn that light off.
Oh no, there were two.
Everybody. Juliana. You both. Here, you stand here. Julie, you stand here. Just chill. You're loud. You're egging him on. So you are. In the marsh?
Yeah, okay, this is Kristen.
It's definitely got Oh, you mean they should have shot off over there? That's what Papa told me that they were doing that. But that was not the case. Julie, watch. Just looking.
I know, but it's worth it. Imagine what it sounds like for people up close. Nah, bro. That'd be Fort McKenzie. Nah, bro. Nah, bro, they'd be in the whole thing.
That doesn't love. This is the fireworks. What's stuck in there? Oh, that's the smoke from the explosions. Yeah, from the explosion.
And all over there too?
No, that's clouds. This is smoke. What's up? Yeah, they're shooting it straight up over there.
I know it's whoever's shooting it.
Beautiful.
Hit my car.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be careful. I mean, those are pretty
Beautiful,
close.
bro.
I don't know, yeah, you gotta be careful.
We go over there.
Huh?
We go over there.
Over where?
In the marsh.
I wouldn't suggest.
Oh yeah, sure. What could be worse? What could be bad? I need to stand in between you two. No. No. Guys, stop. We're not doing anything.
I am enjoying it. I'm watching and recording at the same time, Mom.
A blue one. That's more. One more blue one and I'll do 18. 18 what? Oh no. Wait, there was a little bit of blue in that one.
No, there was. It has to be like, it has to be mainly blue.
Like it has to be all blue.
I don't know, it has to be mainly blue.
Blue.
No, that's not mainly blue.
It is. It is blue. It doesn't have to all be blue. Oh. One more blue and I'll do 100. Or just like one piece of blue. One piece.
Oh, there's blue.
Oh shoot! One more and I'll do 200,000.
No.
Oh no, there was a little bit of blue in that one.
No, there wasn't. That was blue.
Yeah, that was blue. One
Oh,
more.
those are cool.
One more and I'll do it for the rest of that one here.
Oh no. That's the week will just be booty.
Right.
Alright.
Tomorrow too.
Tomorrow is fine. Can we wait till tomorrow?
Another blue. One more blue and I'll do it when we get back home too.
Cool.
Those ones look like flowers.
JJ.
One more blue
JJ.
and I'll do it for the rest of you live. Blue.
I don't know.
It was as you were saying.
I feel like you know.
No,
What?
I'm gonna punch him and booty both.
Booty
My
boat?
leg. Yeah. Blue.
Oh, alright, watch his face.
You did it at my face on purpose.
No kidding.
There's no way he's walking.
One more blue and I won't stop.
Oh.
Oh!
No, but it went away so fast. It went away so fast.
Blue.
I didn't see it.
It doesn't matter if you're
People.
One more blue and I won't stop forever.
Can it be like pink?
No.
Oh, there is pink in there.
One more red and I'll do it for the rest of yours in my life.
You're gonna be doing it.
Oh! Now this one's big. Red. Oh, red. One red, blue.
And I'm going to make you stop.
No. I won't stop.
want blue and I'll do
One more blue and I won't stop. And I'll force you to not. Blue.
No. That's pink. I don't know what they're gonna do. This is my favorite one, food with the lime.
Look at this. Blue. It just makes it.
This is beautiful. What?
I shot it.
Big Dipper?
It's the big dipper.
Okay, cool. Good. Cool. Let me just keep going. I'll see. Oh, hold on. Let me just wait for the fireworks to finish. I don't know how long these are going to last, but.
That's orange. Oh, that's red.
That's pink.
It's red.
That's pink.
No, that. No. Oh, that's red. That's red.
One more.
Oh, that was red.
Blue. I'll shoot Juliana for the rest of my life. In the head.
Quiet. People can hear you. You better hope there's no blue. Guys, just don't accidentally fall in the marsh, please.
Excuse me, can I just. Sorry, I just need my chair.
No. Wait, what's that color? What's that color? I want that color.
Finally.
There's no blue.
I want.
Okay. But they're doing like no more blues. Oh. Oh, blue! Guys, careful.
Stop shaking. Oh, nice.
You guys know what
They're trying to
It's a. Thank you.
Yo! I was behind her. Stand behind me.
No.
Julie, come here.
What?
Come here.
Okay. I know, but remember we did that and it was blue. I know, and now it's gonna go green if I get yellow.
What? Yeah, this is nice.
Yellow! That was not yellow. No, all this are yellow. No, this is the finale.
Let's just enjoy the finale.
One more red and I'll shoot the rest of my life.
Oh.
Red.
Another red. Another red.
So that means I'll do it. So that means I'll do it in heaven too. Okay.
My gosh, Gabe. Anyways, guys, that was fun. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.